man was arrested for attacking women while they were sleeping at night. One of the victims lost an eye, another was left in a critical condition and could only consume liquids, and the third succumbed to her injuries.
पिछले 4 महीनों के दरमियान 5 ऐसी घटनाएं हुई हैं।
Ajay Nisha targeted women from Jangaha village in Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. He carried out his first attack on 30th July 2024. He broke into a house, robbed valuables such as jewelry, hit a woman on the head and escaped. After this attack, the police said it became his modus operandi. They said he targeted isolated homes, breaking in between 1 a.m. and 4 a.m. using weapons like iron rods and bedposts to attack women before fleeing with their valuables. Another incident was reported on 12th August, after which the Gorakhpur police formed a special task force to nab the accused.
पहली ही घटना से लेकर के अभी तक थाने की टीम द्वारा, हमारे एसपी नॉर्थ, सीओ चौरी चौरा व एसओजी और सर्विलांस की टीम द्वारा लगातार घटनाओं की रोकथाम के लिए अभियान चलाया जा रहा था। रात्रि के समय पर पुलिस के साथ साथ स्थानीय जो निवासी हैं, ग्राम प्रधान हैं और अन्य जो सहयोगी लोग हैं, उनके साथ निगरानी भी की जा रही थी। इसके अलावा ग्रामवासियों को इसके संबंध में जागरूक भी किया जा रहा था, सेंसिटाइज भी किया जा रहा था।
Police arrested 20-year-old Ajay on 17th November with the help of CCTV footage, surveillance data and statements from complainants.
एविडेंस के तौर पर देखा जाए तो इन घटनाओं से संबंधित जो सीसीटीवी फुटेज है उस पर इनकी प्रेजेंस अप्रूव हो रही है। सर्विलांस के माध्यम से भी इसकी लोकेशन वहां पर अप्रूव हो रही है।
Eyewitnesses said that he came barefoot, wearing black clothes.
ये घटना 30/7 को सिंहपुर में, 12/8 को उपधौलिया में, 26/8 को हाथखाल में, 10/11 को मंगलपुर में और 13/14/11 की रात को कटेरी में।
According to the police, Ajay confessed to the crimes, stating that his intention was to steal. They said he has described the chain of events during questioning. We have also corroborated the statements by the complainants in all the cases to conclude that all these crimes were committed by him. Ajay was from Mangalpur village. In 2022, he had been jailed for a sexual assault case and was out on bail. According to NDTV, the police stated that he had a history of targeting the heads of his female inmates while in jail, and this behavior continued after his release, leading to the assaults. According to the National Crime Records Bureau, there were over 28,000 robbery cases reported throughout the country in 2022. In Uttar Pradesh, Ajay was facing multiple charges, including murder, as of publishing this story. The police said they would put the matter before a fast-track court and ensured strict punishment for Ajay.